Buying now and paying later with Klarna is a convenient way to manage your purchases without immediate financial strain. Here's how to use this feature. Create a Klarna account. Download the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the Klarna website. Sign up and create an account with your personal details. Shop at partner retailers. Browse through online retailers that offer Klarna as a payment option. You can find these retailers on the Klarna app or website. Select your items. Choose the products you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. Choose Klarna at checkout. When you're ready to pay, select Klarna as your payment method at checkout. You will see options like Pay Later or Pay in 4, which allow you to spread your payments over a set period. Complete your purchase. If you select Pay Later, you may have a few weeks to pay the total amount. If you choose Pay in 4, your purchase will be divided into 4 equal payments, with the first payment due at checkout. Make payments on time. Ensure you pay the installments on time to avoid late fees and maintain a positive credit score.